Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. I just ate a Skittle and my mouth is watering so bad, so excuse me if I am like swallowing a lot. That's disgusting, I know. I'm sorry. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are doing another wig unboxing video. This is another unit from the Butta Laced line from Sensationnel. This is the Sensationnel Butta Unit 7, and I'm trying to decide if I want to post these in chronological order or just post them as the spirit tells me. This unit is made on HD lace with a pre-plucked hairline. It is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees, so if for any reason you wanted to flat iron the unit or put some curls back into the unit, you definitely can do that. This unit is made of 100% premium fiber. It is said to have a wider parting space. The unit also comes with ear-to-ear lace, and I got this in a color 1B. I got you guys. You guys probably thought I was going to say I got this in jet black 1 because that's my color preference. However, jet black 1 was sold out. So I got a 1B, but not too bad. I mean, I like it. It's still right up my alley. And to be honest with you, I actually wanted to try this in the Flamboyage Blonde, the color that the model is wearing, but that was sold out. So maybe another day we'll try out color, but not today, unfortunately. It's just not in the cards for me to try out colorful units. But the model does look absolutely stunning wearing this color. This HD lace is said to blend with almost virtually all skin tones. Again, there is ear-to-ear lace with deep 5-inch parting space. The hairline is pre-plucked for you, and it does come with baby hairs, and the hairline is said to have a natural density. Something that I forgot to mention is that to the parting space, this is the way that it comes out of the package. I am wearing a nude wig cap, and I probably could go in and touch this up with some powder right here, but later on in the video you guys are going to see the hairline still going to look like that because I did not go in and apply my Ulta Contour Kit bombshell bronzer to the parting space. So I'll do that right now so that you guys can kind of see what it looks like just adding it to that little line of demarcation and then applying it to the whole parting space. So as you guys can see, that's just with a little bit of powder right there, and that takes care of the line of demarcation, makes it virtually a seamless transition. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave it right there and not apply any parting space because looking head on, that is clean. I'm gonna leave it alone. But later on in the video, there's no powder, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I did go back in and add powder, and I definitely could pull my wig cap down if I wanted to make it even lighter. Getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are 2 combs surrounding the perimeter of the unit, and it is a side part. At the bottom of the unit, you're going to find an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. So straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. It definitely needs to be brushed, but it does come with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units come with. It also has baby hairs, and you guys can see them very well right here. I'm going to brush it up because I don't like that this is raising up. It's giving me McDonald's arch vibes. So I'm going to go brush it out, style it to my satisfaction, and then come back to you guys at the very end with my final thoughts, questions, concerns about the unit. Okay, so we're back. I absolutely adore this unit. I don't know why I waited so long to try these units. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret here. I have added and removed these from my cart so many times over the last year, and I don't know why. And I just went crazy and I bought a bunch from the line, and I'm really glad that I did because this is actually, this is very beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, I can't. So if you couldn't already tell, I love this unit very much. It's so pretty, giving me all the bombshell vibes. Yes. Showing you guys what the hairline and the lace looks like. You guys can see that is what it looks like. It's kind of curved. I don't know if I'm wearing this incorrectly, if I just need to give it a little tug and wear this on the side. But I don't like it as a side part. Would I like it better? Let's see. Oh yeah, I guess it is supposed to be a side part, but I like it. I feel very like I'm running for political office. Good corporate wig. Like I'm interning at the White House. Nice to meet you. I don't like it so much as a side part, but for the sake of this, we'll wear it as a side part right now, and then I'll switch it back probably later. So getting into the shine of the unit, you guys can see that, again, it is another borderline unit. it's appearing more so shiny on camera. In person, it's like borderline too shiny, but then also it just looks like very healthy, well moisturized hair. So as always, you know what the remedy for that is: dry shampoo, cornstarch, baby powder, whatever it is that you want to use. In terms of styling the unit, I went in with this Cantu styling brush, detangling brush. I went in, brushed it out, and that helped to separate out the curls, and I really didn't have to do too much more. As you guys can see on the parting space, I didn't apply any powder, but I probably could hit some powder right there and gel down my edges right there, just to make it a little more cohesive of transition. But you guys are getting raw, fresh out of the package. It did come with some baby hairs, but I feel like the baby hairs on all the units from this line are just long enough that you don't have to gel them down. If you want to, you could. However, I have a very prominent hairline and forehead, so anything that I gel down is gonna just blend right into my eyebrows, as you can see. In terms of body and volume on this unit, I feel like once you brush it out, you get a really beautiful volume. This feels more like it is, I want to say like 2 to 3 bundles of hair. Let me put it all in the back. When it's all in the back, it feels like 3.5 bundles of hair. I'm gonna learn to stop wearing lip gloss when I'm doing hair reviews. It doesn't feel heavy. It moves very well, and it doesn't feel heavy on the head. Like, don't feel weighed down. Honestly, I wish I had wigs like this back in undergrad, because I would have been killing the game. In terms of length, my belly button is right here, and I am 5'9". Typically, I don't like long hair. I feel like I've outgrown that phase of like super long hair down to your butt. I've just outgrown that phase, and as you can see with any video, I usually cut my units up to, let's say, right about here. So like nipple length is probably the longest that I'll go, but even at that, I cut it more so to just under the collarbone. I really like that length on me. In terms of shedding, let's pull this hair out of the brush. That's not all of it, but did get quite a few strands. In terms of tangles, I am getting some tangles, which is to be expected, because unless you have bone straight hair, you're gonna encounter some kind of tangles. So the more textured and the curlier the hair is, then the more tangles you're gonna encounter. But I can still run my hands through it. So I flipped it back to a middle part, and that's probably why it looks like the McDonald's arches, because it's not supposed to be a middle part. I don't know. Now that I've seen it as a side part, I like it a lot better. Seeing it like this, I don't like it. Yeah, I like this. Even if I look like a White House intern. I like it a lot. I think it's really cute. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see any other wig reviews, definitely comment them down below. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.